Hi, this is another in the series Talk Jamaican. I hope by now you're quite fluent because you got your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. Anyway, join me in another free lesson and remember to subscribe to this channel, to share with your friends, and have yourself a glorious day. After I do my commentary in Jamaican Patwah, I then give you an overview in English about what I said. So how you do? Lord Master, you see how it look bad behind me out the door? Me say me now wake up this morning and see snow. Snow. White snow all over the place. And my people pyjamas, me still about, because me not take off this clothes and go out the door. Lord, missus, me just come from nice Kenya. The place pretty like a money. And me I go tell you enough about it. And as me reach a Colorado, so a pure bad weather lick me yesterday. And this morning when me wake up, me see snow. That's nice. But as I go, missus, me have to come because my daughter I get one big degree and me have to go celebrate with her. So me can't say nothing too tough. And you know what? And when me see them here weather, me really respect them here Jamaican who go in the snow, go walk out the door. It's not nice. And then do it to send money for their family back a yard. And guess what? No for the picnic them and them girlfriend and boyfriend. They don't appreciate it. They near me out. Yes. A wickedness that. Man, you know the amount of clothes you have to put on to go to do there, to go work in that the wicked snow. Me wouldn't do it, master. Me used to be back here and me say, when me see the third winter come, me pack up my bag and tear up my papers and find me yard quick. Cause me no in them same thing there. Me and snow no agree. It pretty when you out and do. When you're inside, when you're inside, it look pretty. But you see when you go out there, a cold can't do that. Me can't take the whole about close top of me. Me have to walk in on me shorts or me pants and me sleeveless and me get whole heap of sun hat. Me can't take this one at all. You can't keep it. Look how dark out there. Not even like a sunfish to warm you up. Me not go to house to do at all. And me not like to stand in the inside, so me glad me soon leave. But me will talk to you and tell you how Kenya nice and pretty. So you must subscribe to my channel and make your friend them know about it. Make we reason like more. I am in Colorado and it is snowing outside. It's almost the middle of May. And it's still snowing outside because in Colorado, the weatherman does not respect the climate. This is supposed to be spring. It's not supposed to be snowing outside. And to think I just came back from beautiful Kenya in Africa. It is beautiful there. The weather is wonderful. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. And they even have snow on top of Mount Kenya. But the weather is tolerable. I just hate the cold. I used to live in Canada, and when the third snow was coming, the third winter, I packed my things, tore up my papers, and said I would never return. I have returned from time to time because I do have family there. But I hate the snow. I hate wearing a whole lot of clothes. I love to live in my shorts and get the sun directly on my skin. It's times like this that I really respect those great Jamaicans who go abroad into this terrible weather to work some money to assist their families back home. Because it is not a nice thing to do, to pile up in a whole pile of clothes and go outside to work in this overcast and cold weather. Unfortunately, a lot of their family at home don't really appreciate the efforts they are taking to help them financially. And when they don't waste the money, sometimes they squander it. It is so sad. But those Jamaicans who put up with this type of weather to help their families should be celebrated. It is not for me though. I am staying in my nice warm weather. You have a wonderful day. Continue to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. All the best till we meet again.